WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging apps in the world right now. The Facebook-owned company in 2017 released a feature that allows people to delete their own messages from WhatsApp. Using this feature removes photos, videos, or messages completely from WhatsApp, which means that no one, including you, can see these messages after they are deleted. However, there is a way to see deleted messages on WhatsApp, and we'll get to that shortly. How to see deleted WhatsApp messages. Whenever someone deletes a WhatsApp message, in the chat it shows a message that reads, "This message was deleted." If you have an Android smartphone, follow these steps to see deleted messages. Download and install WhatsRemoved Plus from Google Play. Once downloaded, open the app and finish setting it up by granting access to all the permissions the app asks for. After granting the permissions, go back the app and now you'll be asked to select the apps of which you want to save the notifications and protect changes. From the list below, select WhatsApp and tap Next. On the next screen tap Yes, Save Files followed by tapping Allow. This will finish setting up the app and it will be ready for use. From then on, every notification that you receive on WhatsApp, including the deleted messages, will be present on WhatsRemoved Plus app.